The Xianyu app is not on Play Store, but the good news is that you can actually download the Xianyu app on your Android phone. Hey guys, I'm Jenny, an importation coach, a procurement agent, and a pre-order expert. So if you're new to my channel and you're willing to learn on how to import from countries like China or Turkey, kindly please subscribe to my channel so you can see more helpful video that can help you start your mini importation business. So back to how to download Xianyu app on your Android phone. Please note that you need a Chrome browser before you can be able to download this Xianyu app on your Android phone, because you can't find this app on your Play Store. And for those that are wondering on what Xianyu app is used for, Xianyu app is mainly to source for used gadgets from China. So on this app, you can get used iPhone at affordable prices and other amazing gadgets also. So let's go straight into the video. I told you earlier that you need a Chrome browser, right? So I'll be sharing my screen with you so you can understand better on how to download this app on your Android phone. All you need is a Chrome browser. You go to your Chrome browser and you type Xianyu APK download. When you click the APK for Android phone, you click on free download. Just follow whatever I'm doing in this video and make sure you watch to the end. Then when you click on free download, you wait for the app to be downloaded on your phone. Then you click on these three dots. You accept their terms and condition. Then click on these three dots. You click on this three dot, then you go to download. Can you see? When you click on download, and once it has been downloaded on your phone, you click on the app, on the file, then go to your Chrome settings and you allow the Xianyu app, you allow from the source. Can you see what I'm doing? After you allow, you click on install to be installed on your phone. Can you see it's very, very easy? And now we've successfully downloaded and installed a Xianyu app on an Android phone. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.